Welcome back. In this section, we are going to see pivot tables. Pivot tables allows you to swap rows and column, group data, and include subtotal in your table. You can group one or more metrics by one or more dimensions. So for that, we are going to use database, sample database, and orders table. And we will group it with three more tables, that is product and users. So we will go to show editor, order, then we will summarize, count of rows and sum of total. Then we will select pick column to group by, that is user by state, product by category, and created at year. Visualize. Go to visualization, select pivot table, go to settings, row by user state, created at year, columns by product category, and measure by count and sum of total. So here you can see user created at year, count, sum of total. And these are the categories and total count. Row count tables, sum of total. This is how we generate a pivot table. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.